Hello, everybody. This is David Lemon today with another video. Today, as you can see, we will be getting into some selling. There was a couple of people interested in how to actually do order bumps and upsell things uh, on the same page, how to offer multiple products on the same checkout page, and they were having troubles figuring it out. So I said, okay, uh, there's multiple people asking the same questions, so I will easily record a video for everybody so that this questions pops up more and more. Then they can just go and then reference this video that I'm just shooting now. This is going to be an easy video. It is not going to be heavy on your mind, not technologically hard. So yes, I have already people joining in. Just please pop by, say hi, say I'm here in the comments so that I can personally welcome you. I can already see some people messaging here for putting in their comments. I love I love seeing engagement, and I just want to see you satisfied. So just please come by, let me know who you are, where you're joining in from, and then I can actually welcome you personally. So I have a Facebook user saying order bumps serve a very important purpose. In case you're joining in me for the first time, please just head over to streamyard.com/Facebook, approve StreamYard so I can see your name, so I can actually thank you and welcome you personally. But yeah, I do believe that order bumps are very important. At this moment, they are not still active in GrooveSell, but there are ways around it. In case you're watching this later on after we already launched, at this moment I will show you. Today is 6 p.m. 6:02 and June 26th in 2020, and this is the date. So in case you're watching this as a replay, in case you're watching it later on, probably the order bump feature is already out, so you can use this feature or this way I'm going to show you, or you can use a different way. It's just up to your preference. Yeah, so I have Linda Tomaso Savidra. Wonderful. Thank you, David Lemon. Thank you, Linda, for joining in. I have Raya Sam saying hi, David Lemon. Jeff Wells saying good topic. I'm here. Linda, thank you very much. I would watch you every day. Thank you. There's not a lot of people, not even my wife, say that. So thank you. I appreciate it. I have a Facebook user saying hello. Please, in case this is your comment, please head over to streamyard.com/Facebook and then approve StreamYard to show me your name and your profile image so I can see who you are actually. I have Jimmy here saying awesome, perfect. Where do I go? Where do I go? Stream what? StreamYard. So you don't have to do it, Linda. I can see already your details. This is for the people that when I show the comment, then their image and their name doesn't show up. So for this person and also for the person that commented order bumps serve a very important purpose, please head over to streamyard.com/Facebook. This will allow me to see your names. Leo is here. Hi, David. Hey, Leo. Good to have you here. I already have. Hey, David. I purchased Groove. This meeting is for me, or should I watch other videos first? In case you're just starting out, I suggest you to head over to the Facebook group and start with the getting started videos. I created a very quick, very short, digestible videos in the units tab. So when you are in the Facebook group, click the units, and then here it says start here. Welcome to the Groove family. Start here. Where are the trading videos? Will there be replays? What can I create with a free account? And there is these frequently asked questions that are mostly asked by our newest users. So once you go through these ones, there's I think 14 videos or so, and once you watch all these videos, you will have a good understanding of what is happening in the company, what you need to do, how you need to proceed, and then everything basically you need to learn about to start your journey in this software. So Linda is saying lol. I think this was for the wife comment that I had. Yes, so we have a good crowd here. I'm happy to have you here one more time. I am feeling energized and feeling confident, and I want to actually jump in immediately and show you what we will be doing. So, as you know, um, I tagged some people in the top comment. I tagged some people that were actually asking this question, and they are the reason why I'm doing this video. But also you guys who are not mentioned in this comment, in case you are wondering about the same thing, how to actually do these things. So what they wanted to do is they said, okay, I'm not starting to sell anything yet because there is no order bumps. So I said, no, 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 don't wait, don't wait. Just go out there. I will show you today how to do it. So please, in case you are thinking about stopping and not doing something because some feature is not out, ask me, is there a way around it? Ask in the Facebook group. Maybe somebody already found a way so you can actually get started. Not wait, no waiting. The best moment to start is today. And the best is to start 20 years ago, but the second best is to start today. So yeah, start immediately, as soon as possible. um so yeah, some people were saying that they are having difficulties. They want to sell multiple products on the same checkout page, on the same page, but they don't know how to do this. So this is what I will be showing today. What I managed to find out a walk around how to actually create something like this. So you have different products that you can sell on the same page. This can be embedded into your checkout, into your landing page, or into your website as well. And then you can offer different products. You can offer also your product with an order bump as a package. And this is what I want to show you. At this moment, you are correct. The order bump feature, which is in GrooveSell, is not available. I will go through everything. I will show you, but I want to show you how you can create a page like this one, actually set this up so that it says what the people are buying. It says what they're getting. There will be a description. It says how the payment will be going. So this is a one-time payment of this amount. If you're doing different types of payments on the same page, for example, this would be a subscription for a lemonade for 150 every week ongoing. So this is a subscription until you cancel. And then there is also one-time payments, there is installment payments and things like this. I will go through in detail in a moment, but this is what I want to mention, how you can create a package with your order bump and the main offer so that you can actually go ahead and start selling immediately. I know that this is not the fancy order bump feature that is flashing and then saying, click me, click me. At this moment, this feature is not out yet. It is coming soon. It even says in GrooveSell that it's coming soon, but until then, you can choose this offer, this feature to do it this way. And then I will be showing you how to actually set up a thank you page, or the product access page that will be looking like something like this. Like, okay, thank you for your purchase. You can access your purchase below. And you can also offer something else, like join our Facebook group, and then people click over here and they go to our Facebook group and then access your purchase, and then you can they can click over here, and then you actually give them the link or give them the download package that you created. And then, very important, not to miss your chance, give the bonus gift. And the bonus gift would be your affiliate link to GrooveFunnels. This is very important. This is why it is over here, and this is what I want to mention. You have a bonus gift that you can give out. This is a free account with GrooveFunnels. You actually share your affiliate link. If they sign up, you get a sign up. Actually, you sell your own products, and then you have an opportunity to sell even more, to make even more money, and actually help the people that you are selling your products to, which is a big bonus for everybody, for you, for them, for everybody. So this is what I will be explaining. We will be building out a page like this together. So in case this is something that you are interested into seeing, please type in the number 5, or just type in, yes, I want to learn, I want to see. Just please comment this, and then this will let me know if this is something that interests you or not. Okay, I have a comment from Anu. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce your last name. Sorry, David. When is the marketplace coming up so as to purchase designs? At this moment, it is not. It has not been fully announced yet, Anu. It will be a big reveal once it comes out. Don't have to worry about that. At this moment, unfortunately, I don't have an ETA on that. But it is coming soon, and it will be big. And I myself am planning to go out there, create designs, create different things that I will be selling on there, because I think my products are good, and I think there would be people that would love to purchase those. Okay, so I have Ricardo saying this is gold. I have Raya Sam saying 5, Leo 5, Sherilyn Selick 5, Ricardo again 5, Facebook user 5, Tayad Gravito, I'm not quite sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, 5, Karen Jones, hi David from UK, 5, great idea, perfect, thank you very much, Karen. I have Anu saying 5, Cheryl saying right on time. I've been working in GrooveSell this morning for a physical product. Awesome. So Cheryl, this will be for this you can use for a physical product when you are selling packages or selling multiple products at the same time, but you can also do this for variations. For example, let's say you're selling one product as a red shirt, one product as a blue shirt, one product as a package of both shirts, red and blue. So this you can set up to actually package up your products at the same time. Yes, so I think I have my answers. Everybody's interested. I didn't see any other comment except the number 5s. So I will be jumping in and actually going head first into GrooveSell to show how I created this one. I will go in and then show you how I set this exact page up, explaining what I did. And then if you want, we can go ahead and create a physical product. In the demo I created here, this is an access your purchase. This is for a digital product in case you're selling some downloadable materials, PDFs, ebooks, something like this. But I can also show you how to create this for a physical product. This would look the same. There would not be an access your purchase. It would be just like, thank you for a purchase. You will receive an email shortly when your product has been shipped or something like this. And then you can still let them join the Facebook group, or in case you have, or like our Facebook page or something like this. And please just offer the bonus gift. People will love it. People will find it that you are giving them an actual present for this purchase. You can also mention it as you are a customer now. Please access your bonus gift, and then they click here, and then they can register and get access to 3 free websites. They can get access to GrooveSell. They can upgrade later on, and then you will earn referral commissions or these commissions for your affiliate link. So GrooveSell. Let me just start from the beginning. When you are in your GrooveFunnels dashboard, your GrooveFunnels account, you come over here to GrooveSell. You click the GrooveSell button, and then you see actually what you sold. I'm not selling anything. I'm just doing these demo videos at this moment. But in case you would be selling, you would need to set up your product first. So you come over here to the Funnels tab, and then the first one will be opened immediately. This is the product funnels that you see here. When you don't have anything set up yet, this will be empty. I did these as demo videos in tutorials that I recorded previously, but I want to show you how you actually modify a product that you already created. In case you don't have a product yet, you create a product funnel, and then you set up your products this way. But if you already have a product funnel set up, you come over here, manage products, and then this is the important part. To achieve this one, I didn't set up separate products. I didn't click over here. Okay, so this is a lemonade. I will put another product, so I have a lemonade, I don't know, subscription, and then another product to have a lemonade package. This is not where we set this up. So you can only have, basically, I suggest you to have one product that you're selling, but you will set up different price points. And this you do when you get in there and edit the product. So you can see this is my main product. This is a front-end product. And then here in the pricing tab, this is where you decide what you will be selling. You can add as many price points as you'd like. I don't suggest you to do many, because the more options your customers will have, the more difficult it will be for them to choose. And either they will go with the easiest option to understand, which is the basic one, or they will just leave the page. More options is not always good. This is why funnels are so great, and this is why funnels work perfectly, because you give them one page with one goal to do. Click here. Once they click here, then they go to a product page where they actually see the page, and they have one button, buy it now. So they can click either buy it now or they can leave. These are basically 2 options. They will go with the easier one, click on the buy it now because they are interested to see what is next. So this is what I suggest. Don't put 15 different price points, even though you can. I don't suggest you do, because then this will be very crowded. People would see it like this, and then it will have so many different products over here. So I suggest keeping it to bare minimums, like 4, 5 maximum, just in order for this page to be visible, to look nice, and then also to be embeddable on your website. So once we are here editing the pricing, you can see here there is a lemonade 1 bottle. Then we set up the name that will be showing up over here. So lemonade 1 bottle. Then the description will be one-time payment of a bottle of lemonade. The description is where you explain what the people will get when they purchase this option. The description is visible over here, as you can see, one-time payment of a bottle of lemonade. And then for the payment, as you can see here, one payment of $2. This is set up over here. So you can choose a type, a one-time payment. You pay, you have the product, you are a happy person. You have a recurring option. You pay, you have the product, you're a happy person. Then the next month comes or the next week comes, you pay again, you're a happy person, and then things like this. And then this continues until you actually cancel the purchase, cancel the subscription. And then the installment option is very important when you have like a big ticket item. You probably purchased GrooveFunnels as an installment. So they had the 3 easy payments of $4.97. So this is an installment of 3 times. So 3 installments of $4.97, and then interval, it will be monthly. So you pay monthly 3 times $4.97 to have access for a GrooveFunnel. This is installment. Installments are very good when you have a very high ticket product that you want to break up into multiple payments. And then once these 3 payments are finished, then the customer is done. So they don't have to pay monthly again and again and again. What you can do later on, it is coming soon, you can do recurring installments. So for example, if your course costs $5,000, this is just a hypothetical thing, you have a course and you sell it for $5,000, and then every year you put out new content, and then the people have to repurchase this $5,000 course. So you can make it in a, basically you do the installments monthly for a $5,000, you break it up, and then you can make it that every year this continues again and again until they actually don't cancel. This is not available yet. This will be coming very soon. I have Linda asking a question. Can you please do the same training for making a funnel? I need this desperately, and you train amazingly and understand. Linda, I'm happy to announce that on Monday, people who are watching this replay will be confused because it will be already out. But on Monday, this is the, not this button, but this button over here. So Monday, this is the 29th of June, I will be doing a training on how to create funnels. I will not be showing exactly how to do a funnels where you have a main product and an upsell, then a downsell, and things like this, because this feature is at this moment a bit clunky within the software. I will show you a funnel on how to actually get people to subscribe, then to see a video sales letter, then to actually go to a thank you page, then you give them options similar to this one. Where is it? When they signed up to your list. So this will be a funnel with a goal of a sign up. You can then repurpose this funnel to sell your products. You can repurpose this funnel to get your affiliate link for promoting GrooveFunnels. You can do many different things using this funnel that I will be showing. There will be an option to sign up or leave, and this I will do a multi-page funnel on Monday, the 29th of June. In case you're watching a replay, you already have it outside already. You can watch it on YouTube. You can watch it on in the Facebook group and also in the Groove Digital Academy. But for everybody that will be watching it live, we are doing that on Monday. Yeah, awesome. I love Linda's comments. She's so happy with all the time. Anyway, so this is what I wanted to show you. And then let's just set up a new price point. So as you saw here, this is where I set up this price point. This is another price point, and then this is the third price point where I actually want to include my bonus that I would give, not the bonus, but the order bump. So I create a package of the lemonade, of the bottle itself, and I want to give away or give an option for them to purchase two products at the same time. So lemonade and lemonade book, for example. So this I would set up pretty simply as a new price point. I would just give it a name. Okay, I will do just a fictional product. Lemon template plus plus builder plus bonus bonuses. So this one, they can actually purchase 3 products. So the lemon templates, if let's say if I create a template, I can sell this template. I can give them also the builder, which is free, so they can access it on a page like this. So I would say access your builder here. When they click on it, they can sign up. And then the third product would be the bonuses. I would just create another. So this would be for access the templates, access the builder, and access your bonuses, something like this. Okay, so I will leave it as it is. And then in the description, you write what you want your customers to know. You can entice them. You can actually sell this one so that you, when the customer comes, they understand why are you doing this one. So I will write here, get your lemon templates and access to the builder and your bonuses immediately. I'm just writing gibberish. There is no point into this. I just want to show you actually how it will look on the page. Immediately. I don't know how to write it down, but I will type it this and then boom. What I suggest, in case you want people to actually purchase this one immediately when they come to a checkout page, you can set this product up as a default. So the default will immediately put this red dot to choose that product that you put this default option on. So before, the default option was the lemonade 1 bottle, and then this was showing up, and then this was chosen. But in case you set up the default on this one, this will be chosen. And then in case the people just go and then click the purchase to continue to billing, they will be purchasing immediately this one in case they don't change it. I'll show you how this looks like later on. And then I will just set up a price point of, let's say, $50. Okay, now we go here. Don't click exit because then it will not save your things, save your changes. You need to click over here to save. So I was down here. I need to scroll up and then I will see the save button. Okay. So Michael is asking, did I miss the order bump? No, Michael. Order bumps, I will show you now immediately. When you come over here to the bumps, it is not active yet. So this is coming soon. The proper order bumps that is flashing and saying, buy me as an extra. This is not available yet. You will be able to rewatch this video once the stream is done. You will see and why when I explain why am I doing this. So you don't have to wait until this bump feature is out. You can make a package with your main offer and the bump and offer it immediately. You can start selling your items, you're selling your products using this technique. This is a way around until the bump comes out, until the bump feature is out. As you can see, when we click on the bump, this is not possible to be active yet because this is still coming soon. The developers will be pushing this features out very, very soon. Most probably in this July rollout launch. Okay, so as you saw, we set up our price point for the lemon template, and then we can go on. The gateways, you should have set it up previously. In case you don't know how to set up the full product, I will not be going over on how to set up a full product. For that one, you can come over to the Facebook group or the YouTube, and I created a step-by-step video on how to do that. This is in the live demos, and then once you scroll out, it will be a blue image. It is saying setting up GrooveSell and embedded checkout. So this one, building out a landing page with embedded GrooveSell checkout. This is the exact name what you need to search for on YouTube. You can watch this video. In this, I go in depth of how to set up your product, how to actually activate the affiliate offers in case you want that, and then things like this. So I go through the full process of how to do that and what each option means. So you should have the gateway set up after you watch this video. And then the next thing that is highlighting us that we need to do is to set up the thank you page. The thank you page is the page that you will give the people, sorry, not that one, but here, this will be your thank you page. You can create a thank you page for each of your products that you're selling so that people can know what is the next step, and what if they want to access it, then you put the access details on the thank you page itself. So for example, I created this thank you page for my product that I just set up, the lemon template plus builder plus bonuses, and I need to type in the URL. I need to type in the details of where the people will go once they purchase the product itself. So let's say they come over here, they decide that they want to purchase this product, they go through the payment details, and then after they successfully purchased it, then they are transferred over to a page like this where they can actually access and then get the bonuses, get the access to product, join the group, and whatever you would like them to do. Okay, so I will just set up a dummy site like this one over here so that it is filled out. Now this is my landing page for this product. You can set up a different landing page, different thank you page for this product. You can set up a different landing page or thank you page for this product, and so on. So each of your products can have a different thank you pages. I am happy with this one, so I just go to save, and then this is the only thing you need to change within GrooveSell once you add on a new price point. So a main product with your order bomb product. So once you click save, you are good to go. Okay, save, and then that is it. So the checkout, you can go through the checkout and edit the styling, and then the express checkout, things like this. Bumps is not available yet, and everything else can stay as it is. Only thing you can change, in case you don't want to create a thank you page where you are delivering the product, but you want to deliver the product using an integration, using an autoresponder, then you can go to the fulfillment tab, and then you can see all our products aligned up here. This is the this is the price point that we created now. And then here in the integrations, you can choose the product and then add the integration, so you connect it to an autoresponder. So actually, if somebody purchases this price point, this product, so the lemon template plus builder plus bonuses, they will be hooked to your email autoresponder, and then you can send out the product using your email service. Let's say you are using Aweber or ActiveCampaign, then you can set this up over here using the integration. You just choose which one would you like, where you want to what list you want to put them, and then inside Aweber you set up an automation in case somebody comes to this list, send them this email, and after that you can also send them to a thank you page that you want. I don't have Aweber and anything set up yet, so I will just show you an example using a thank you page like this. Okay, I am happy with everything. I save it, and then I can exit. So now let's say that we set up everything and we are happy with what we got. The next thing what we need to do is get the link or the code to embed it on our site. So you do this using this shopping cart button. In case you don't see the shopping cart button, you need to activate your product to make the product live. If your product is still in draft mode, you need to click on it and then make live. When you click make live, then you will be seeing that shopping cart button. In case you didn't make it live, you will see the shopping cart button grayed out. Even though you click on it, it will not be opening up because you didn't make the product live. So in case you see draft mode next to your product funnel name, then that means that it is not live yet. So let's just go ahead and then click on that shopping cart. Let's just see. There's a question: can you set up different thank you pages for order plus bump plus one-time offer plus or order plus OTO? How do you set that up in the funnel? So let me just see. For the order plus bump plus one-time offer. So the one-time offer is the one that is a bit clunky at this moment. You have, let me just see, checkout, express checkout, and then you have this one-click upsells that you can do. I didn't find a way to make it work yet. It could be that this is just my thinking is not correct. I would probably need to reach out to the developers so that they give me a walkthrough. Once I do this one, I will create a video for you guys. But this will all be very soon changed, because once the funnel feature comes out inside Groove Pages, in Groove Pages itself, there will be a button on the over here between the pages and pop-ups. This will say funnels. So when you use this funnels feature, you will be able to set up visually. So this site is going to be transferred to this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, and this also will connect GrooveSell as well. So at this moment, I'm not quite sure who you are, Facebook user, but in case you want to do this one, you can test it out, try different options until I find it out find this information out from our developers. They give me a walkthrough, and then I can record an in-depth tutorial for you guys. For now, I'm just going to show you how to do this one. This is a purchase, and then access the details on the thank you page. Amazing. I'm not sure if this is the same person, but thank you. Hey, David. Hey, Facebook user. Please head over to streamyard.com/Facebook so I can see who you guys are. So the people who said, hey, David, and then again, amazing. And can you set up the 10 different thank you pages? Please head over to streamyard.com so I can see and answer your questions and then actually read your name. Okay, let me just move this one away. And then now we have everything set up. I just want to go over here and then press this shopping cart button. This will get us our link. So here you need to choose multi-price checkout and then multi-step to have this page. In case you just choose a single price checkout and then multi-step. Multi-step is this one. One step, two step, third step, and then finish. If you do one step, this will be a bit longer, and then everything will be lined up. So the first name, credit card details, the payment, and then everything will be lined up on one page. I will just go ahead and then do the multi-price checkout. I like how it looks like compact and easy to follow. But I will show you with a one-step checkout. So here you can choose which products you want to show. So I want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. I just want the last one. Get your lemon templates and access to the builder. Okay, so generate link. And then here is our link. I will just open it here. And this is our single product with, basically it is now a one-page one-step checkout. So you see, we only chose this product, and now we can see it here. So we can see it here, but we can see what the people need to fill out in order to purchase it. This is different than what we have here. This is multi-product and then multi-step, and this is a one product and one-step checkout. I want to actually close this one and do this page. So I will go back to our shopping cart, choose multi-step and multi-price checkout this way. I want all my products to be lined up to be available. And I want to show you how it looks like when the default is chosen immediately. Okay, as you remember, we chose the last product that I created to be the default product, and it is actually not showing up. So I think we messed something up. This needs to be chosen as a default product, and then it would show up on the first place over here. So let me just go back and then redo it. Okay, so pricing, I want this one to be my default product. Okay, for some reason it is not showing up. Let me just see if these are turned off. They are turned off. Let me just turn this off and then this off, this on again, save. Hopefully now it will be working. Let me just check it one more time. If not, then we found the bug and I will report it. Let's just test it out. So we have all our products. Let me just move this one away. So we have all our products, and then I hope then now we will have the default product chosen. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't show up. I want this one to be the default product. I think this is just a bug. I will report this one if it is not reported already. But anyway, so now we created a multi-step checkout with a multi-price point. So the people that actually want to purchase something, they can choose this one. And this is very important in case you're doing order bumps. You have your order bump, and then you can offer it in a packaged solution this way. You don't have to wait until that feature, the order bump feature, is out. So now that we have our product set up, I want to show you actually how to set up a page like this one, where you offer your products to be downloaded, to be accessed, or you actually mention, in case you sell physical products, you can mention what are the next steps your customers need to take. Let's say, as I gave the example previously, you can set up a price point. You want to sell a red shirt, you want to sell a blue shirt, and you want to sell both of the shirts in a package. You can create this one easily within GrooveSell. And then here on the thank you page, you would just say your purchase has been recorded, your purchase is, we received your order. You will receive an email soon about the shipment or something like this, and then you give people an options here. So I want to just start a page from scratch and then actually show you how I created this. So what you can also do, there is a pre-made template. I will show you here. Once you go into the templates, there is a pre-made template for a thank you page. So there is one that is looking like this. This is a bit darker. You can do this with a background. So thank you for your purchase. You can put in some other details. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do that. Step 3, do this. And there is another one which is pink. And this is this one. So thank you. Your ebook is on the way. Do this, do that, do them. So these are two templates that are already pre-made. I will show you how to create the one that I did previously, because I want you to be able to create your custom thank you pages. So I'll just go and design it here. So I click on the blocks, wireframe blocks. I choose an empty block. I will put here an icon, text, and so basically a heading and subheading. So the first thing I will do is make sure everything is center aligned in the middle. So I click on the container itself, click the layout, vertical, centered. So now when I pull in anything over here, it will look centered. So I will just pull in an icon. You see it is showing up in the middle. I will pull in a heading and then a heading 3 for my subheading. Okay, this is done. And now for the lower blocks, I will choose a wireframe block, empty ones. You can choose the 3 different steps that you want to take. You want them to take. You can choose 2 steps. I'll just go and then design the exact thing that I did previously. Give them 3 options, and then in the options, I want them to have something like this. You can also put in an icon or an image. I will just leave the heading and a button. So what I want is just a heading and a button. Okay, a solid button. I will need to click to the container, layout, and center it vertically so that bit it is in the middle. And then I will do this for the other containers as well. This one as well here. So now I can put here my details and then the button. First thing I want them to do is to join Facebook group, and then in the button I suggest you to give your personality, to don't put in join, and it will be like Nyeh. Put in your personality or put in your brand personality. In case you have a fun and playful business, then put in something like I did here. Yes, I want to join, or access your purchase, gimme, 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 or something like this. Access your bonus, whoa, let me see, and things like this. Put in your personality. This will, people will appreciate it, believe me. In case you have a serious business and then you're doing some lawyer kind of stuff, and then divorce lawyers, when they are not wanting to be gimme, gimme, and whoa, let me see, just have the voice of your company, the personality of your company, shown on your pages. It will look more personal. It will look like humans are actually working in this company, and people appreciate working with humans. Okay, so here I will just type in sure. Okay, this one, and I will design my button. Okay, let me just see if I have any questions. I actually forgot to see the questions. Dun, dun, dun. Excellent info. Well, so well done, David. Thanks again for all you do. Thank you, Jeremy. Or sorry, Jimmy. I was reading the next comment. It says, "Hey, Jeremy. Um, let me see. Can we sell for free in exchange for an email?" I think you can. When you come into GrooveSell, you can, I think, set up a price point to be 0. Let's just try it out. So actually within GrooveSell, shipping is not possible to do yet. So you cannot say, okay, price is 0, but the shipping is that much. So you can set up just that the price is, I don't know, 15, and then you type in here free book, let's say, just pay shipping of $15, and then you explain it here. So you get the book for free, and you get the shipping for just pay shipping for $15, and then you can set this up this way. At this moment, there is no shipping info that you can turn on and then say, okay, yeah, just upsell shipping, or give shipping a different price. Okay, let me just go ahead and then continue with the build. Where am I here? I will just do a background of the button to be a dark green, like this. Make it gray, actually. Dark gray, okay. And then I want the text to be in a different font, sure. And then make it rounded like this one, and then spaced out a bit more so that it is looking a bit nicer. And then over here, just remove the spacing. Yeah, and then move it away from the text. Sure. Okay. You can also change the text fonts and sizing and colors and whatever you'd like. You know this one already. I probably don't have to mention it for you. Let's just do it like this. It is not looking the same. I don't want to do the same thing that I did, but I want to show you how to create a similar one. And then over here, I want to create the background. I want it to have like light gray. And once we go into the spacing, we are in the container. We have the container chosen. We can go to the spacing and then do the padding inside, and then space it out a bit nicer like that. And then make the corners of the container itself a bit round. like this. Let's just put it on 0.5 and maybe also put the 1 pixel of some darker borders. Okay, so you can see now what we created. I put in an empty container, so basically a 3-column block. In the container, I put in some text, a button. I did a background. I styled it nicely, so it's put in spacing, and then I chose the container itself and put rounded the corners, and then put on some corners, sorry, colors of the borders. So this is what I created over here, and now we can actually do the same on this one. What we can do is duplicate the text and the button, bring it over, and then we can just save the style of the container. Here we create a new style of the container and then just say, I don't know, gray container. This, we choose the container itself, and then we go to global styles and we just choose gray container, and now all the settings have been transferred. As you can see, we have the same thing. We can just type in another text for what we want to give them, like access your order, like this, and then I can give it, yeah, give me my stuff, something like this. The button will not make look nice. We will need to put the text in the middle and resize it so that it is like this. But you can put in your personality. I think you understand what I mean by this. We can make it also a bit smaller like that, and then make this one a bit bigger so that it looks pretty similar, something like this. And then on the last one, we also copy over the text. So duplicate this, duplicate the button, click on the container itself, and then apply the global style that we did, gray container, okay? And then I want this button to pop up because I want them to take this offer. And this is where I will be basically offering my bonus. And I type in here is a gift for you. Here is gift for you. And then I say, oh my God, a gift. Yes. Oh my God, a gift or something like that. Just put in your personality. People appreciate these types of things when it's just not like login, register, join, buy. It's like put in yeah, it's people can see this one everywhere, but something like this they cannot see everywhere, and they would be happy. It would make them like chuckle a bit for sure when they see something like that. Okay, I have Linda saying, so if I am selling a baby onesie, I should say then shipping included because no shipping. Yes, so in case you are selling physical products, you would need to calculate in the shipping immediately here. So you would say, I don't know, the price is 25, and then here you explain baby onesie, and then here you actually describe, so you put in the description your purchase like this. So your purchase of baby onesie will include the shipping costs as well, and something like this. You just mentioned that the shipping is included, or just say you get baby onesie, shipping is free, or something like this. Just mention that they don't have to pay for shipping so that they are not surprised later on. This is what I would do if I would be selling physical products. Jimmy saying lol. Joe is here saying, hey David Lemon. Hello Joe. Pum, pum, pum. Okay, so I don't have any other comments. In case you want, I'm getting to the end of the session, so If you have any questions, please pop them in now. Once I finish editing the site over here, I will be jumping in and answering your questions. So as you remember, the gift, I want to set up my affiliate link so that they can actually purchase something, and then I offer them to sign up to my affiliate link for GrooveFunnels, because GrooveFunnels, even if somebody signs up, you are on a free account, somebody signs up, you can make like easy $150 just by putting your link on a page like this. It doesn't cost you anything, it doesn't cost any longer time to do this one. It is just copy paste, as you saw I did here. I'll show you how to get your link now, and then how to pop it in here to the link section. So once you are in GrooveFunnels, either click here to Groove Affiliate Program, you can click over here to learn more as well, or right hand side upper button, Groove Partner Program. I'll just choose this one as I always do. And dun, dun, dun. Let this just load. So this is where I get my link. I just click on the link, click on this first one. This is what I want to offer. And as you can see, this is for the GrooveFunnels offer. So if they sign up, you get GrooveSell, Groove Pages, and then things like this. Yes, so I copied over my button, and I will come over here and then just choose the button, click configure, type in what I want the button to say, and then here I choose URL, and then I just paste in my button, paste in my link, sorry. As you see, now the update button here is not pink. It is not highlighting it, that it doesn't recognize that we put something in there. So just press any button on your keyboard. I usually do with the left and right arrow keys. Once you click either of those, then the update button will come live, it will come online, and then you can actually click the update, and then the button will have here in the lower left hand side corner, you can see that it is recognizing the link. So that is it. Just don't forget to save, and then you can set this up over here. So let's just remove this one. I want to put in the image that I was using earlier. Okay, and the image I want is just that check mark over here. This is just an image with a transparent background, nothing fancy like that. I want to size it properly using the width. I choose the pixels option, and then I can size it as tall as I want. Not tall, but as wide as I want. And then over here I say, thank you for your purchase. And then here you give on the other details. For example, we receive, let's see what it says. We receive please access your purchase below, or something like this. I'm just pulling this out of my head now. It doesn't probably sound good, but that's fine. Okay, and I want to do this one also in Lato, and just to give it a bit different shade, something like this. And then here this container I will space out so that it is not immediately on the top. I will space out also the bottom so that the lower part is removed. So these are removed from the top part. And then also in my site here I had this divider. So let's just put in the divider. So I click the elements, I choose the divider, and I pull it here below the text. As you know, the divider at this moment has a small bug. Once you go configure it, even though you choose solid, it doesn't change. I'll just show you a workaround. So I want the width to be 100, centered in the middle, and then the color to be some light gray, something like this. Okay. Once you click update, it doesn't change until you click the design. So now the color changed. Let me just show you. Now the color is light gray. However, it is still dashed. So now you can click the divider. Once you are in the divider over here, you can edit it further with the borders. So this is a border. Here you can choose the solid. Here you click on this one. This is dashed and this is dotted. So this is for the solid line. And then here you can choose how wide, how thick actually the line you want. I want to leave it in 1 pixel. So now I have that done. Let me just click out and then show you. It looks like this. So you would now need to just pop in your links where you want to send the people. If you have your product uploaded to a Google Drive file, you just take the Google Drive link, pop it in here into the button as a URL, and then people will be transferred over there to download it. You don't need to do anything fancy. You can just pop it into Dropbox or Google Drive or something like this, and here you would load in your Facebook group. Let me just do that one immediately for this Facebook group. Okay, so copy facebook.com/groups/groove digital official. I would come over here, click on the link. I would do this one over here and then paste, open a new tab. And then, as you remember, left or right arrow keys, click update, and bada boom, we are finished. We can save and then publish. Okay, I don't want to actually publish it because I was working on somebody else on a page similar to this one. So yeah, we are actually finished. This is how our page looks like now. I love how it looks like. Once we hover on it, you can see here in the bottom the link actually shows where it will be sending us, and then as well here it is our affiliate link, so it shows that it is the affiliate link. Yeah, so I think I am finished now with what I wanted to say. I showed you how to actually do an order bump and a package deal with your products, how to connect it so that it goes to a thank you page, and actually with that designed out a thank you page. Again, you don't have to design from scratch. There are templates you can use, as I showed you earlier. There is this black one over here and there is this pink one. You can just click on it, modify it how you like it, and you can also remove the backgrounds. You can just make them white or gray, like on my side. I just wanted you to know actually what the possibilities are and what you can create. So yes, I have a couple of questions in the comment section, so I will go there and then see. Boom, boom, boom. Can you remind me where the sizing of the countdown timer you created is? I don't seem to be able to find it. Where the sizing of the countdown timer is. Okay, so let me just go over here and then let's just put the countdown timer somewhere here in the middle. So as you remember, elements, you scroll down. We come over here to the countdown. This is in the other tab. Before the navigation bar, it says countdown. We pop it over here, and then you need to design each and every one separately. So for example, I want the text on this one to be, I don't know, Poppins, like this one. I want also this text to be Poppins. I want the text to be a bit bigger, like that. I want the background to be some orange like this, maybe make it a bit transparent so that it is not in our eyes. But yeah, I'm fine with this one. Now I just go here into the sizing of this thing. I think spacing, I'm not quite sure. I think sizing, width, change it to pixels, something like this, and then I'm happy with it. You can also round the corners on it, make it round. Then you would need to play with the spacing so that it is actually round. So for example, on the side, I think we would need to add more of this one, and then here a bit more like that. Things like this. You can space it out how you want it. I think this is because of my sizing option. I didn't do it correctly. I did a full video on how to properly size these in the live demos. Once you click the live demos, there is how to create a coming soon page. In there, I actually designed 3 versions of let me just show you where. Building out the coming soon page in Groove Pages. I actually went in there and then built out these sites. How do I go out here? So these sites, and then you can see exactly how I created everything inside here. So yeah, that is approximately it. Let's just see the next questions. Thank you, David, so very much for the training. I look forward for the funnel page Monday. I'm already getting requests on Instagram on how to purchase. That is awesome. So please do this one as soon as possible. Check the video where I go into depth on how to set up the products, and then follow the video. I'm just clicking around. Follow the video that you just watched on how to actually put up multiple different offers, with your bumps, with your bonuses, with everything. And then please send me a link to the page once you are finished. I really want to see, and maybe on the next Groove Pages show and tell, maybe show people what you created. A bit of promotion is always good. Coming soon, that's why I could not find it. Thank you. Yeah, so this was in the coming soon pages. You saw it. It is the blue one here, building out the coming soon page. Is there any questions? Dun, dun, dun. David, you are so clear as an instructor. Great job. Thank you very much. I want to see who you are. I want to thank you personally. Pum, pum, pum. I would need to um, I would need to open Facebook like this and then actually click on the page itself, and then sometimes it loads in the comments, sometimes it doesn't load in the comments. Sometimes I need to play the video itself so that I can see it, and then here on the side I would need to see who. Okay, then here I can see it. So okay, this was Charlene Lian. Thank you very much, Charlene. I would appreciate in case you would be able to head over to streamyard.com/Facebook. This would make make it so much easier, so I don't need to go into Facebook and then search for the names. But yeah, guys, this is it. I hope you can now create your packages, your product packages, and then start selling them immediately. I don't want you to wait out. You can make hundreds of dollars in the time when you decide to wait. So just start immediately. You can make this money in the meantime until these bump offers are out. So the best time to start was 20 years ago. The next best time to start is today. So just do this one today and then really put your offer out. I don't have my product to sell, so I cannot do it. But Linda, you have, I'm pretty sure Karen has, and other people here watching have. I know Christine has, so wink wink, Christine, you can do this. Yes, Jimmy as well. Jimmy, you have a product, do this one, start selling it immediately. If you need help, you can reach out every time. I'm here to help you guys. So that is David Lemon signing out, signing off. I hope you managed to learn something from this video, and please, in case you are struggling with something, let me know. I would be happy to record videos like this for you as well. So thank you one more time, guys, for watching. See you in the group.